Today I want to talk about my upcoming blog, which is all about a sauteed spinach recipe. And you might think that doesn't even sound good, Gaylene. Why do I have to eat stuff like this? The goal here is to give you the little recipes that you can start including in your diet that can make a big difference over time. And spinach is one of those foods. So some people like it raw, me. Some people like it cooked, me, maybe not quite as much. Some people don't like it at all, and some people like it however you serve it. Spinach is actually a very, very versatile food, and you can use it in a lot of different recipes. But I'm going to give you a simple recipe that you can just toss together and include it as a side dish in an upcoming meal to really get a boost of nutrients and vitamins and energy and all the things that spinach is good for. So dive on in. This week's blog has a really, really simple couple step recipe for you. And while you're over there, I'm going to give you some other healthy recipes, not all spinach based, but I'm going to give you access into my nutrition and wellness library where there's a ton of healthy recipes. So it's going to include crockpot recipes and dessert recipes and even a 3-day plant-based reset if you want to follow a step-by-step plan. So I'm going to give you all of the things that I use with my clients to really help them get healthy eating more included on a daily basis in their life and give you some simple recipes to get started with that. So dive on over, head into this week's blog to not only check out this sauteed spinach recipe, but grab access to the entire library for free of a bunch more recipes for you. Go ahead, enjoy, and I'll see you over there.